So the next part of the javelin and the kind of sports day question is this. The height a student jumps in the high jump needs to be input and validated, basically checked. The height is entered in centimetres and must be between 40 and 180. Write an algorithm to take the height jumped as an input, output valid or not valid depending on the height input. Just say each data type must be different. Now usually with algorithm questions it doesn't worry too much about data types, but we'll have a look at the mark scheme and check that in a minute. But for this question, if you're going to do this question, I might just insert a text box here. Right, so taking the height as an input, height equals, I'm just going to change that to red, and I'm going to change that to slightly different font. I'm just being picky. There we go. Now, autocorrect in Word is annoying. It always capitalises the first letter, but you shouldn't capitalise variable names, so I'm changing it. Okay, so height equals, and then we're inputting, right? So now we need an if statement checking the output. If height is greater than 180 or height is less than 40, print not valid. Okay, else print valid. There we go. Now each data type must be different. I mean, if you wanted to be very, very sure about this, you could put float there to make them enter a decimal, because it is 40.0. But we'll look at the mark scheme. There's 4 marks we're looking for just here. So let's have a look. H input height, enter height jumped. If H is greater than or equal to 40 and H is less than or equal to 180, then print valid, else. So it doesn't matter about data types. You don't get any marks for that, so don't worry about that. Okay, that's that one.